In today's video, we're going to go over a method to make money online that, if done correctly, you can set yourself up for life with this. And I know that's a big, like a big bold statement, but it's absolutely true. So let me show you this. So in this video, what can you expect? Well, I'm going to share this method that you can use today to get everything up and running. I'll show you exactly step by step how this works. We'll go over setting this up, and this is absolutely free to get started with. You don't need any money whatsoever, and it's also available worldwide. So what do you not need? Well, you do not need any experience, you do not need skills, money, and you don't need to spend lots of time with this. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly step by step how this works. I'll show you how you can get free training for this. We'll go over setting all of this up. We'll go over making more money with this. But by the end of the video, you will know exactly how to set up a proper online business. And this will take a little bit of time to get set up. But I promise you, if you do watch this video till the end, it will be worth your time. And I'll go over this so you can get as much benefit from this as possible, basically. Now, before I jump into the video, I just want to go ahead and share just a freebie that I'm going to start giving away on the channel. So every single day I'm going to give away one of my courses. So tomorrow I'll announce the winner of today's course. So what we're going to be looking at today is this course over here. So this here is called iPassive. This was a course that I launched a couple of months ago, and it shows you how I make money online with affiliate marketing and also YouTube and some other cool stuff. So if you want to go ahead and get a free copy of this, comment iPassive down below, and then tomorrow we will announce the winner. Okay, so let's go back over here. So today's method to making money online. Let's start right at the beginning of this whole process. So when it comes to making money online, you need one of two things. You need a product or a service that you can go ahead and market and share. So something of value. Now this can be your own product, or it can be somebody else's. Now when you're first starting out, the best method to do this is go ahead and find a product of somebody else's and market and share that content. And that's what we're going to focus on in this video. And as I've mentioned, you don't need any money for this. And if you're going to join any networks and they're trying to get you to pay, then I'd question that method. So let's start right at the beginning. So we need a product or a service to promote. Now some people will say to you, go ahead and promote products on Amazon or eBay. Now whilst that's good and you can earn money, you're not earning lots of money. You'd only be earning lots of money if you send in a significant amount of traffic over to that. So we're going to focus on products which pay out more than a couple of dollars. Ultimately, we're going to focus on products which have something called a value ladder. And if you don't know what a value ladder is, what that means is somebody comes in on the front end and they purchase a product for, say, maybe $1, $5 or $10, and then through the back end, through like what's known as a sales funnel, they will have additional upgrades and upsells where they purchase a product and you can earn more money. And this method, it works incredibly well. And how do I know that? Well, I do that in my online business every single day. So we need a product or a service to promote. So one that I've started promoting recently, and I recommend this, is this one over here. So let's go over here and we'll go over to here. Now this product here, it's called Clickfunnels. Now many people get confused when it comes to Clickfunnels because they think that you need to go ahead and be a member of Clickfunnels and pay money for this. You absolutely don't. Sorry, let me go ahead and get rid of this thing. I don't know why it's doing this. There we go. So yeah, you can join this for free. You do not have to be a member for Clickfunnels. And look, I'll drop a link below for this for you. You can go through and check all this out yourself, but you can get started with this for free. So why do I recommend Clickfunnels for you to go ahead and promote? Well, there's a number of products inside of here that you can earn commissions from. So you're not limited to just one piece of software or one ebook or anything like that. So this is the affiliate sign up page. And I'll scroll down here. It's really simple. You come over here, you click on Get Started with Clickfunnels, and you go through and you fill in a name, email address, and other bits. And then once you've got this, you get access to the platform basically. Now on here they have some additional things whereby if you can send over 100 users to the platform, they will go ahead and pay you so much money every month so you can get your own dream car. But look, that's jumping right to the other end of the spectrum because you need to get 100 members first. So the first part is we come over here and we register to be a Clickfunnels affiliate for free. And one of the reasons why I've started promoting this product as well is because of this. sticky cookies. So what does that mean? So all of these products on here on ClickFunnels, if you market them and share them and somebody goes over to the page but doesn't buy today, maybe in a couple of weeks from now they do, you will still earn a commission. Maybe if someone went over there and had a look at a product today and didn't buy for a year, you get paid in a year because of this here, this sticky cookies. It's really powerful stuff. Now we'll scroll down here. Here are some additional products that you can promote. So you've got this thing called Funnel University, we've got scripts, we've got funnels, and there's lots more on here. And then further down the page here, you've got this, imagine what it would be to win your dream car. So this here, these are affiliates on ClickFunnels who have gone ahead and they've basically won this dream car. So I believe it's over 100 people now. So there's some really big names on here as well. I mean, I'm sure you might recognize like Robert Kiyosaki, Tai Lopez, and many more. And there's some other great marketers on here as well, like Peng. Peng's a great marketer. He's got a good YouTube channel. We've got Julie over here, Greg Jeffries, and many more. So these are all people who have won this. But like as I mentioned, that's not going to happen instantly. This is something we would be working to. So the first part of this is we go ahead and create an affiliate account with ClickFunnels for free. Okay. Once you've got your ClickFunnels account, then the next part is you get access to the products that you want to promote. So let me go ahead in here and I'll show you some different products that you can promote because you're not limited, and this is what I really like about this. So if I scroll up the page here, this is one of the products that you could promote, which is the actual ClickFunnels software. So if you started promoting this, you earn a 40% recurring commission on this amount of money here or this one here, 97 and 297. So that is what you can earn from this here. But if you're not into the software and you don't want to go down that route, you can also promote other things. So there's something here called the One Funnel Away Challenge. You earn $100 for this. If I scroll down here, you've got books that you can give away. These books are free and you can earn some really good money on this on the back end. You remember at the beginning I said the value ladder? This here has got a value ladder built into this. If I scroll down here, we've got another book here, and look, there's lots more stuff on here that you can go ahead and promote. And because this company here, ClickFunnels, they've been around for a number of years. The content, the software, all of the books, everything, it's really good stuff. If we go up here, I'll show you an example of this. So you see this product here, this .com secrets. This here is known as the value ladder, which we were speaking about earlier. So you could go ahead and market this book here, this .com secrets, and you earn $1 because ultimately, when you're marketing this, it's free. Somebody's just got to go ahead and pay shipping and you earn $1. And you might think, well, $1's not a money, and it's not. However, look, this is the value funnel. So what happens is somebody goes ahead and gets this book here for free, then ClickFunnels follows up on your behalf with these additional products here. And if anybody was to go ahead and buy any of these products here, look along the bottom, these are your potential earnings. So effectively, from giving away a free book over here, you can potentially earn $967. That's just one example for you. There's another example here. This is the network marketing secret. So if you know people who are into network marketing, again, you can go ahead, you get your affiliate link here. Just scroll down here. Here's the front end, so you earn $1. And then again, here is the value ladder. So how much you can earn here, here, and here. So in this example here, you can potentially earn up to $174. And let me share with you one last thing that you could potentially go ahead and promote. This here. So look at this. This is a free on-demand training. There are no costs and it will only be available for the next 48 hours. This here, what's this? What is this? This is a webinar and it's to help businesses grow from startup to basically to help businesses start making money online. So if you know business owners, entrepreneurs, anybody who's interested in growing a business and making money online, would they be interested in this free training? I think so. So you can send them over to this and you can earn money from this as well. So these are just some of the different products that you can go ahead and promote and market. So this is step one. We go ahead, we find a product to promote. In this example, it's ClickFunnels. Once we've got this, we then start sharing our content. Now at the beginning of this, I said to you I'd show you how you can fast track this and get up and running with this. So let me show you this here. And again, this is free. So this here is called the Affiliate Bootcamp. Now look at this title here. well, I can't even highlight it. If you had to feed your family with nothing but your affiliate commissions and you only had 100 days, what would you do? So this is Russell. He is the guy, basically he's the guy behind ClickFunnels, the guy who created this. If I scroll down here, let me just show you this. And this here is just awesome. This is free training, but personally, I would put this training at well over $1,000 just for the content in here, but it's free. And the reason why they give you this training here for free is because they want you to, introduce more people to ClickFunnels because they make money, but you also make money. So this here, it's called the Affiliate Bootcamp. And again, there's a link to this below. You can go ahead and sign up for this. Now you can see on here, he sent out an email to all of the top affiliates in ClickFunnels asking them this question: if you had 100 days, how would you go ahead and turn this into a full-time career? Now if I scroll down here, just show you some of the people that responded to his email, and this is the free course that you get. So on here, look, let me introduce you to the dream team. So these are all people who are making a hell of a lot of money with ClickFunnels, people who have got the dream car. So look, you remember down here we've got Peng, who we saw on the last page, we've got Greg Jeffries and many more. But underneath here, they show you what will be included in the training. So Steve Larson and another huge affiliate on here. Basically, all of this here, how to create a truly irresistible offer that makes it nearly impossible for customers to say no. He goes over this. So you find a product on ClickFunnels that you want to market, and then you can go through this training here. And there's many more of these. And this training, this is provided to you for free by people who are already successful within ClickFunnels. You can go through and have a look at all of these. I mean, what's this one here? Creating the YouTube videos, how to become a super affiliate. There's so much content in here. And again, it's all absolutely free. So you've got some people on there, and then there's some more information on here. But this here, if you're serious about making money online and you want to get something up and running proper, then this is the method that I would recommend. This is what I'm doing in my online business, and it's all free. So if we just do a complete recap on this, so we go over to this page here. There's a link down below to this for you. We go over to the affiliate program here to join ClickFunnels, which is free to get started with. We sign up and join. Once you've done that, we then go over to the affiliate bootcamp and basically learn from all of these experts who are making money on ClickFunnels every single day and who are getting paid this dream car, and go through the training and how they do this, how they set this up. And I mean, look at this, 11 steps that got me from 0 to 106 playing ClickFunnels in 100 days basically. So I mean, all of these trainings, I've been through all of them, and they're all incredible. And you honestly, you could expect to pay over $1,000 easily for the trainings that are taught within this. So go to ClickFunnels affiliates, sign up for a free account. Once you've done that, you come over to the bootcamp, go through the training. It will walk you through everything you need to do to get this whole thing up and running. It's available worldwide. It's free to get started with. There's genuinely no reason why you cannot get this up and running and start making some money online. So that's today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, leave them down below. And don't forget, if you want to go ahead and win my iPassive course, this one here that we looked at earlier, go ahead and drop a comment down below saying iPassive. But thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.